This my message is I send this Mr. Trump, President Trump. My message I talked for you. Listen to me carefully. Why last 3 days ago? Why speak Egypt, Ethiopian dam broken? Why? What is this purpose? Why this one is talk this purpose? Why? Mr. Trump is telling me, I need the answer. Why is Egypt to go? Ethiopian dam is broken. Why? Like Ethiopia and Egypt, this one is like fight unit? No fight. No fight. Egypt is coming, is broken, is dam or Gidab is by Gidab is broken. Ethiopian people, no like this one here seat. No seats like this one here. Ethiopian people go, Egypt go, this Nile Gidab is dam is broken. Is water is go out flow. Every people is die. No Ethiopian people. You don't know Ethiopian people history. Ethiopian is people before. You don't know Ethiopian people. Ethiopian people is strong. You know, before Ethiopian people, you don't have shoes. You don't have gun. It's Avenger. You don't know Avenger. It's coming, Nabi. It's Italy coming, Egypt coming, Dervish coming. Every people like Ethiopian people. You know, knife. It's long knife like Kulmama knife, like Dagan. Dagan knife, Gorade. It's name Gorade. Like his enemy, his anger, his skeleton, his Kurat, Mutit, die. And the stick knife is long stick knife. It's sharp. This two side sharp is straw or wurwur is gibbet is muted die is enemy. Why you go Ethiopian is በኢትዮጵያ መንግስት በኢትዮጵያ ሀገር ውስጥ ለምንድን ነው ጣልቃ የሚገቡብን? አይገቡብን. We don't need for you talka is no this fly water is still no fly like water no. Why ምን አገባዎት? ምንም አያገባዎትም እና ባኮትን አርፈው ይቀመጡልን። ኢትዮጵያ is ጀግና ባገሩ በኢትዮጵያን people is inside this fight like this one. Enemy is coming, is together. Stand. You know? Strong stand. Ethiopian people, is American people, is before, still now is good friend. You know? Is good friend. You speak like this one here. Egypt go, dam is broken. It's now a little bit is scripted. It's air inside. The American people, Ethiopian people, air inside is no good. Carefully. It's good to work. This every people, Ethiopian people, is send money, is work. You know, far is for a woman. Is you know this one. Makanat is fitted is give money, and Gavare is Mr. Kiss out money is give by Gidib. Like that one is every people, every Ethiopian people is this damn money is collect is. Dam is built. አመሰግናለሁ በአገራችን ጣልቃ አይግቡብን please Mr. Pras please shut mouth off okay thank you